In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $7,150 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic, okay? And I made this commission in 11 days, okay? From the first day of April, okay, this year, as you can see, until the day 11 of April, okay? I made $7,150 in commission using free traffic from Pinterest. So in today's video, guys, I will share with you my methods. I will share with you which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest for beginners. I will show you step by step how you can join affiliate marketing business, how you can create an affiliate account like this one, and so much more. Okay, so let's get started. So first, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, okay? And you should have an account like this one with Fiverr, okay? So you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission, okay? So just click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program, and the sign up process is super easy and simple, okay? Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates, okay? This will be your Fiverr affiliates dashboard, okay? It's super easy. It should be like this. Fiverr affiliates, you have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, payments, sub affiliates, you have commission plan, affiliate user guide, you have affiliate store, and that's it. It's super easy. So what you need to do next is you need to choose which service you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission, and I will share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Pinterest, okay? So first, what you need to do next, you need to go to Google, okay? And you need to search for Pinterest. If you don't have Pinterest account, you need to open business Pinterest account. Go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. It's super easy. And Pinterest, did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, okay? You can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly. So if you do it correctly, if you promote services that people are searching for on Pinterest, you can make a lot of commission, okay, and make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. So anyway, so you after you finish your sign up process to Pinterest like this, and like I said, make sure to open business account. What you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable service that you will promote on Pinterest, okay? So what you will do, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr like this, okay, and search for this service. Search for Etsy Pinterest, okay? Search for Etsy Pinterest, okay? So why I choose this service, okay? Because from my experience, guys, a lot of people who has Etsy stores, they are using Pinterest to promote their Etsy stores to get more sales and make more money, okay? So this service will help those people who has Etsy stores to promote their Etsy product and make more money and get more sales, okay? So what you will do, I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay? So let's choose, for example, one of those sellers. I think I will choose this one. I saw good one here, like this one. Okay, I will choose this one. This one is level 2 sellers. He has a lot of reviews. I will promote Etsy shop or listing to my real 3 million Pinterest. Okay, this one has 3 million Pinterest audience. That's really good. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and what you need to do next is you need to copy this seller profile link like this, okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, okay, and you have here dashboard, you have marketing tools, okay, click on marketing tools, click on default and dip links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Let's go to Pinterest. Go to your Pinterest homepage, click on home feed, click on create pin, and here you go. You will be directly in this page. What you need to do next is you need to go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. Scroll down, click over here on his picture, okay, like this, double click and click on save image. Okay, save this picture to your laptop, name it Etsy ads for example, click on save, go back to Pinterest, click over here and click on this picture, upload this picture to your Pinterest account like this. You need title, you need description, and you need your affiliate link here. So go back to the seller profile page, copy his title like this, go to Pinterest and put this title here, description, go back again to the seller profile page, scroll down, okay, and you should see over here about this gig. This is his description. Click over here on more, and here you go. This is your description. I will copy this part and I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for me guys, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. So if you don't have this option over here, this old plan, Fiverr CPA, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, you can copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same. Okay, so for me, I will copy my affiliate link from here. So you can also copy your affiliate link from here. Like I said, it's almost the same. Go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here like this. Click on choose a board and click on create a board if you have new account, and you just need to give it a name and that's it. It's super easy and you can create as many as you want. So I will choose this one, Pinterest. Scroll down, you need to put here tags, okay, keyword, okay, so put keyword like Etsy. You have, so you just put this keyword and Pinterest will give you related and matched tags. Okay, selling on Etsy, I will use this one and I will put again Etsy. Crafting business, I will use this one. Okay, Etsy business idea, Etsy sales, you can put keyword here, okay, or you can also go back to the seller profile page, scroll down, and you should see, if you keep scrolling down, you should see related tags. You can copy those keywords, okay, like this one, Etsy traffic, okay, Etsy promotion, Etsy SEO, Pinterest marketing, and you can go back to Pinterest and put those keywords here, okay, like this. So after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link. This will be your picture, this will be your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. That's how you can promote your affiliate links on Pinterest, and that's how you can make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. So do research, see what's trending on Pinterest, what people are searching for on Pinterest, because this service for me, a lot of people who has, like I said, Etsy stores, they are using Pinterest to promote their products and their Etsy stores to get more sales. Okay, so those people will be interested to buy this service to promote their Etsy products to, for example, to like this seller here who has 3 million audience on Pinterest. Okay, those people can make a lot of have a lot of sales and make a lot of money if they promote their product with this service. Okay, and that's it. So if you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you have a new account and you start promoting a lot of affiliate links per day, your account will get banned, okay? So make sure promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. Stay consistent. Do a lot of research, see what's trending, what people are searching for, which services works, which services not working. Keep double what's working, and you can make a lot of money with this method. Okay, that's how this is the method that I'm using to earn like this commission, $7,150 in commission just in 11 days of this month. Okay, of the month of April, and that's it, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys, and of course I'm also working, guys, on a course that will be ready very soon. It's almost maybe like 10 days my course will be done, and this course will cover everything about affiliate marketing for beginners. Okay, for people who don't know even how they can start it. Okay, this course will cover everything: how you can create your affiliate account, how you can promote your affiliate links using free traffic, paid traffic, and so much more. Okay, so if you are, guys, interested, just comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will try to make it done very soon for you guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, check my other videos. I share with you how you can promote your affiliate links on YouTube, Facebook groups, Quora, Instagram, and so much more for free. I share all those methods in my YouTube channel for free, so feel free to check it, and see you in my next video.